Just 5 more minutes. You tell yourself suddenly it's 2 hours later and you've watched dozen cat videos, scrolled through every social media feed, and your study goals nowhere in sight sound familiar. We've all been there, but what if you could cut your screen time by 80% without feeling like you're missing out? Ready to take back your time? Let's go. Step 1. Face the truth. Track your usage. Before you can fix the problem, you need to know how bad it is. Check your screen time stats. Warning, it might be horrifying, but that's good. You need that. Wake up. Call your hack. Use apps like Digital Wellbeing Android or Screen Time iPhone. Write down your daily average. Awareness is step 1 toward change. Bonus hack. Set a phone wallpaper that says, "Do you really need to check this?" It's like a mini intervention every time you pick up your device. Step 2. Use the barrier method. Make it harder to procrastinate. Your brain loves easy dopamine. So make distractions harder to access your hacks. Move tempting apps. Hide social media apps in folders. 3 swipes deep. Out of sight, out of mind. Grayscale mode. Switch your phone to black and white. Without the colorful dopamine hits, scrolling loses its charm. App blockers. Use apps like Forest, Stay Focused, or Freedom to limit usage. Schedule strict off hours for social media. Pro tip: replace your lock screen with a motivational quote, like, "Is this helping your future self?" Step 3. The dopamine swap. Replace. Don't just remove. Cutting screen time without alternatives equals boredom, and boredom sends you straight back to your phone. The fix: swap dopamine sources. Healthy alternatives. Listen to podcasts or audiobooks while relaxing. Keep a fidget toy, stress ball, or sketch pad nearby. Start a quick hobby: juggling, drawing, or even learning a musical instrument. Move your body quick. Stretch as a walk or 10 push-ups. Make it easy. Place a book or puzzle where you usually scroll. Step 4. Schedule tech breaks. Yes, you're allowed going cold turkey. Rarely works. Instead, schedule specific times for screen. Use your hack. Try the 30-10 rule. Study your work for 30 minutes, then allow a 10-minute tech break. Use an app timer to keep it strict. Bonus: set alarms labeled "break over, get back to it." Your future self will thank you. Step 5. Make your environment work for you. Your surroundings influence your habits. Create a phone-free zone for focus. Your hacks: put your phone in another room while studying. Use a basic alarm clock instead of your phone for waking up. Charge your devices away from your bed to avoid late-night scrolling. Keep study areas clutter-free. Less clutter equals fewer distractions. Step 6. Social accountability. Don't go solo. Everything's easier with support. Tell friends or family about your screen time goals. Your hack: join a study with me. Live stream to stay accountable. Create a friendly challenge with a friend who can stay off Instagram longer today. Winner gets bragging rights and maybe a treat. Use group chats for motivation, not mindless scrolling. Step 7. Night mode. When down, without screens. Screens before bed wreck your sleep and keep you in a scroll hole. Your hacks: set a no SC screen rule 1 hour before bed. Switch to warm light filters. Night shift on iPhone, blue light filter on Android. Imagine all you can do with those extra hours: better grades, new skills, more energy, or just peace of mind. Your challenge: turn off your phone right now for just 30 minutes. Do anything offline. See how it feels. You might love the freedom. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more life-changing hacks and share it with someone glued to their phone right now. Yes, we all know that person, and remember, you control your screen. Don't let it control you. Until next time. Focus up, live fully,